Thukuru-inĩ wa gũthũrima ciana iria cirĩ na mawathe gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ KISE nĩkuo mambura maya megũtabanĩirio, magana ma aciari makĩyumĩria kũrehe ciana ciao gũthũrimwo.
Kutoka nianze kumleta nimeona improvement juu shingo ilikuwa inaanguka saa hii iko inasimama kiasi. Hizi miguu zilikuwa zimekaa hivi ziko zinanyooka kiasi kidogo, lakini nikiendelea naona kunaweza kuwa na mabadiliko makubwa.
THII YOTHE IGIKUNGUIRA muthi uyu umwe wa maundu maria magwetetwo ta muhinga munene guku bũrũri-inĩ ni kwaga kwa mitambo kana mashini ngũrani iria ihuthikaga guteithĩrĩria andu aria mari na mawathe gukinyaniria mihang'o yao ya o muthenya.
The devices and also the device must also be current time technology. Today you might somebody who is deaf, you may not require even an interpreter. That person is engaged that is able to communicate without any interpreter with him.
Over time, we have to have a conversation on how we can bring down the cost of whether it's the wheelchairs, whether it's the hearing aids, the prosthetics, so that more and more of our people can have access to them and can get to go ahead about their lives.
Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa thukuru wa KISE Norman Kiogora, thirikari nĩtacukitie ikinya rĩa bata kuhuthia murigo wa garama ya urigitani kuri andu aya kuhitukira mubango wa SHA, akiuga riu namba ya ciana iria ikoretwo igithurimwo o muthenya niyongererekete kuma ciana 100 nginyagia ciana 500 o muthenya.
SHA has transformed assessment in the country. Right now, SHA is catering for every cost for assessment, physiotherapy, and none of them is paying anything.
Namletanga huku. Saa ingine kama simekoza fare, inabidi nikae. So tukatafuta ingine huko ABTK, nampelekanga hapo mara moja. Kama nimepata hapo naona ni karibu. Huko nikipata siku moja na kuja.
Ihinda-inĩ o riu thirikari ikiuga nĩragacĩrithia ceceni cia gũthũrima mawathe ngũrani thĩinĩ wa kaunti, waki wa ceceni 10 njerũ ũgĩtanywo gũkorwo rĩkĩrĩire mbere ya mweri wa Mũgwanja mwaka ũkĩte.
We have had very active assessment centers in every county. Even now in every county there is an officer from National Council for Persons with Disability.
We have what we call disability assessment committees. These two have been empowered to screen for disabilities and they're able to link the children and adults who are identified to the services that they need.
Ona kuhanura uguo anyiti itemi nĩ mahinyĩrĩirie bata wa kambeini ya kuhinyĩrĩria aciari gũthiĩ na mbere kwĩyumĩria nĩguo ciana ciao gũthũrimwo tene, rĩrĩ namba ya ciana iria iraciarwo na mũrimũ wa kĩmeciria ĩthiĩte na mbere kuongerereka.
Our cases are on the rise. There are very many. And we are concerned because it is not just this country, it is worldwide.
There is still much to be done in this country for creating awareness, for making it possible for all parents to be aware of what can be done to their children, what can be done to them themselves.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wadiro.